What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. Going to do something a little different here. I was planning on building an AMT cement mixer, but I went over to have dinner with Mom and Dad tonight, and my father asked me if I could build this gasser for him. He's actually got two model kits he wants me to build. The other one's a Nova. Yeah, we're going to focus on this gasser here. We'll see if we can get this one built. This is the first gasser that I have ever built. So again, I'm going to step out of my comfort zone, do something a little different. I'm going to go ahead and get this one unboxed and see what we're dealing with. All right, I've unboxed it, and these are all the parts that we have here, folks. There is a lot of pieces and options and parts in here that we can do for this. So I'm really excited to build this. Come down here, some suspension pieces, dashboard, differential, other steering. I believe that is the air cleaner. Got our leaf springs, and it looks like maybe some roll cage pieces and shock suspension pieces. Up here, oil pan, other engine pieces. Bottom part of our frame. Got our seats. So our other, if you're gonna build it stock, got our wheel options there, and our exhaust. More steering pieces, and we come down to, we got two chrome trees and plenty of chrome pieces to put on. Come over here, we got our radiator, gas tank, batteries on that one too. More leaf springs, more shocks. Got our, I think that might be the differential right there, and then we've got our drive shaft. Yep. Seats, chassis, here's our body, our hood, main engine pieces. I got one more sprue here. Got our interior pieces, steering wheel, steering arm, flip it around to the other side here. Yeah, not much to look at on that side, but plenty of good detail right there. It's looking really good. Pretty happy about it. And then we've got our stock wheels. You can use two of the stock wheels, and then we got our two gasser tires. Gonna make them look really good. All right, other than that, this is what we're gonna build here. Got my work cut out for me on this one. It's gonna be a lot of fun though. Looking forward to it. So if you guys wanna stick around for this build series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on a notification bell so you see when the next video comes up. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.